Welcome to our channel Mystery Minds, where we try to unravel unsolved mysteries of the world. In the picturesque town of Taos, New Mexico, a peculiar phenomenon has captured the attention of residents and researchers alike for decades: the Taos Hum. This enigmatic auditory occurrence is characterized by a persistent, low-frequency humming sound that has been described as both mysterious and disturbing. In this in-depth exploration, we delve into the world of the Taos Hum, examining its history, the experiences of those who have encountered it, the various theories put forth to explain its origin, and the ongoing efforts to unravel this auditory enigma. The Taos Hum's origins. The Taos Hum's origins can be traced back to the early 1990s, when numerous residents began reporting the presence of an unusual low-frequency sound. Although anecdotal accounts suggest that the phenomenon may have existed long before it gained notoriety, it was during this time that the hum became a subject of significant interest and concern. Many who experienced it described the sound as a deep rumbling noise akin to the distant rumble of an idling engine or the faint vibration of a large subwoofer. The humming often occurs at night and has been known to disrupt the sleep patterns and peace of mind of those who hear it. Experiences of those affected. The individuals who have been affected by the Taos Hum come from diverse backgrounds, making it difficult to pinpoint any common denominators among them. Reports of the hum's intensity and frequency vary widely, with some hearing it intermittently and others experiencing it continuously. For some, the Taos Hum is a mere curiosity, while for others, it has become a source of distress and annoyance. Residents have voiced concerns about the potential health impacts, including sleep disturbances, heightened stress levels, and irritability attributed to the persistent hum. Theories and explanations. The Taos Hum has spurred numerous theories and explanations, but as of yet, there is no universally accepted answer to its origin. Several areas of investigation have been explored. 1. Geological factors. Some researchers have looked to the Earth itself, suggesting that the hum might be related to geological factors. This includes the possibility of microseismic activity, or the resonance of natural rock formations in the region generating low-frequency vibrations. While geological sources for such hums have been documented in other locations, no definitive geological explanation has been established for the Taos Hum. 2. Anthropogenic sources. Another line of inquiry focuses on human-made sources. Residents and researchers have hypothesized that the sound could be linked to nearby military or industrial activities. For instance, the presence of military bases or secret government projects in the region has raised suspicions. However, investigations into these claims have failed to produce conclusive evidence to support this theory. 3. Physiological and psychological factors. Some scientists and experts have posited that the Taos Hum may be a physiological or psychological phenomenon experienced by a select group of people. This theory speculates that certain individuals might be more sensitive to low-frequency sounds, or that stress and anxiety could be amplifying their perception of the hum. Nevertheless, this remains a somewhat speculative explanation and does not account for the collective reports from various individuals. Scientific investigations. Over the years, numerous scientific investigations and studies have attempted to unravel the mystery of the Taos Hum. These efforts have involved the use of specialized equipment, such as infrasound detectors and seismometers, to monitor and analyze low-frequency sound waves in the region. Some studies have indeed detected low-frequency vibrations, but none have provided conclusive evidence regarding the hum's source. One notable study carried out by the University of New Mexico in 1993 failed to find a definitive source for the Taos Hum, but confirmed the existence of low-frequency noise in the region. Other researchers have deployed questionnaires and interviews to gain a better understanding of the experiences and perceptions of those who hear the hum. Despite these efforts, the phenomenon remains largely unexplained. Hope you found this video informative. Consider subscribe to our YouTube channel for more engaging content like this.